Math GPT is a website that allows you to explore and understand multiple different kinds of maths concepts. If this is your first time here, my name is JI, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here, and I'm actually going to say, explain the quadratic equation to me and also provide some real world use cases and help me understand why it's important to know it as someone in the maths field. Cool. So let's see what we get. Cool. So the quadratic equation is a polynomial equation of the second degree. It's got this general form. Okay, cool. We've got the general form. Step 2, how to solve it.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
Okay, this is really taking me back. Cool. And then we've got examples and the final answer, key concepts, real world use cases, which is what I asked for, and a whole bunch of other different sort of applications, and a conclusion on why it's important in math. Okay, cool. So yeah, this looks quite interesting. I haven't had to sign in to actually get this. We've also got a dark mode, which we always love. So yeah, definitely check this out if you think it would be useful for you. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to Chat GPT, which is essentially Chat GPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with Chat GPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.